Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the credential you'll use, an existing email or a new Outlook address. Once decided, open Account Creation and enter that email or phone. Make sure it's accessible. Create a strong password now, 12 or more characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, because changing it later is slower. Also provide a recovery email or phone while prompted so you can regain access if you lose your credentials. This gets you past the gate and into account setup quickly. Once you receive the verification code, enter it promptly. Delays can expire codes, so check spam or messages. Next, fill in personal details accurately: name, birth date, and country, because they affect recovery and service eligibility. Then choose language and time zone so calendar and notifications behave correctly. When privacy and data sharing options appear, make deliberate choices. Enable two-step verification if you can, and adjust targeted ad settings. You finish by reviewing the account summary, accepting terms, and clicking Create. After creation, sign into a Microsoft app such as Outlook or OneDrive to confirm everything's synced and that licenses or free tiers applied. Make sure to add alternative contact methods and enable a backup auth app if available. This prevents lockout. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache and cookies, retry on a different browser or device, and use the recovery email/phone. These steps usually resolve verification or sign-in failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.